Good morning, students. Now, today we will start the second chapter of English literature. Students, on July 26, 1999, the Indian Army won the Kargil War against Pakistan. In the dangerous battle, many brave young soldiers laid down their lives defending their nation on the battlefield of Kargil. It's been more than 21 years since then, but the courage and sacrifice of Kargil heroes still remain in the memory of our country. Among these brave hearts, there was a man named Vikram Batra who fought and died fearlessly. Now, this chapter is about his journey of life. But before starting the chapter, let's discuss some difficult words. Now, let's talk about the first word, that is immemorial, which means something that is going on from past or an ancient time. Like you can say a ritual that is still continuing from the past. Now move to the second word, that is orphan, which means a child whose parents have died due to any serious disease or due to accident. Now move to the third word, that is wrath, which means a bad feeling occurred due to war. Now the Hindi meaning of the word is dar ki bhavna. Now the fourth word is steep, which means the shape of mountain or slope of mountain that is difficult to climb on. Now look at this picture. The mountain looks like this and the shape of the mountain also looks like this. So it is very difficult to climb on this because of its shape. Now fifth word is comrade, which means a friend or a colleague. Now let's talk about the sixth word, that is jingle, which means a short slogan or tune that you often hear during an advertisement. Now you all have seen an advertisement of the soft drink Mountain Dew. Its slogan is डर के आगे जीत है. Now the seventh word is valor, which means a feeling of great courage in the face of danger, especially during war. Now the Hindi meaning of the word is bahaduri. Now the eighth word is artillery shelling, which means the firing done by the army tanks. Now let's read the chapter. Wars have been fought from time immemorial for various reasons. They may be between two countries or many countries over a period of time. जैसे कि स्टूडेंट्स आपको पता है, युद्धों को समय समय पर लड़ा जाता रहा है अलग अलग कारणों की वजह से. कई बार ये सिर्फ दो देशों के बीच में हुई हैं और कई बार दो से ज़्यादा देशों के बीच में हो चुकी हैं. With finer equipments and nature of fighting has changed. समय के बदलने के साथ साथ इसकी इक्विपमेंट्स और इसकी प्रक्रिया में भी बदलाव आया है. बट द डिस्ट्रक्शन और डैमेज कॉस्ड बाय अ वॉर रिमेन्स दी सेम. पर जो इसकी वजह से नुकसान और तबाही हुई है वह हर कंडीशन और परिस्थिति में एक समान है. The word war brings to everybody's imagination a picture of mass destruction, killings and sufferings. Wars have done more people harm than good. जब आप अपने मन में वॉर के एक सीन को इमेजिन करते हो तो उसमें सिर्फ तबाही, हत्याएं और दुखों को ही देख पाते हो. Wars have done more people harm than good. युद्धों की वजह से सिर्फ नुकसान ही हुआ है, कभी कुछ अच्छा नहीं हुआ. There has been a mention of great warriors in your history textbooks like Maharana Pratap, Shivaji and Maharaja Ranjit Singh. जैसे कि स्टूडेंट्स आपने अपनी हिस्ट्री टेक्स्ट बुक्स में इन ग्रेट वॉरियर्स के बारे में तो पढ़ ही रखा होगा, जैसे कि महाराणा प्रताप, शिवाजी और महाराजा रंजीत सिंह. They fought wars over defending a territory, personal enemy और acquiring the wealth of other countries. उन्होंने कई बार एक क्षेत्र की रक्षा के लिए, कई बार आपसी दुश्मनी के कारण और कई बार अन्य देशों के धन को प्राप्त करने के लिए युद्धों को लड़ा है. Such wars left evidences of destruction to the extent of razing an entire city, leaving behind fearful people, orphans, and many homeless. इन युद्धों के कारण कई बार सारा का सारा शहर ही तबाह हो जाता था और अंत में सिर्फ डरे हुए लोग, अनाथ बच्चे और बेसहारा और बेघर लोग ही रह जाते थे. Our country India has faced the wrath of war from time to time. हमारी कंट्री इंडिया ने समय समय पर इन युद्धों के डर का सामना किया है. Even after independence, we have fought 4 wars, the recent being was the Kargil War. This makes us wonder about the brave soldiers who defend our country from the enemies. इन युद्धों ने हमें उन बहादुर सैनिकों के लिए हैरान करके रख दिया है जो कि युद्ध के मैदान में जाकर अपने देश की रक्षा के लिए दुश्मनों का सामना करते हैं. One such incident is that of Captain Vikram Batra, who belonged to a small town of Palampur, Himachal Pradesh. He was a well-educated young man. He had a choice between joining the merchant navy or the army, but he chose to join the Indian army. It was exactly 18 months later that the Kargil war broke out. लगभग उनके आर्मी ज्वाइन करने के 18 महीने बाद ही कारगिल युद्ध शुरू हो गया था. As a great patriot, Captain Batra took it as an opportunity to perform his duty towards his nation. एक सच्चे देशभक्त होने के नाते से उन्होंने इसे एक अवसर समझा और युद्ध पर जाने का फैसला ले लिया. He was a tough officer and did not let anyone brood. That means he did not let anyone unhappy around him. His presence made everyone laughed and smiled. He was liked by all. His fellow officers and jawans all praised him very much. His men were ordered to capture the mountain top called 4875. उन्हें और उनके साथ गए सोल्जर्स को ऑर्डर दिया गया था कि उन्होंने माउंटेन टॉप 4875 पर जाकर कब्जा करना है. He along with his men successfully climbed it, moving inch by inch, while the enemy was already present there. Now the enemy got surprised and they wondered that how did they reach here. Now let's recall the story with the help of some questions. So my first question is, write the names of great warriors from Indian history. Very good. Some great warriors are Maharaja Ranjit Singh, Maharana Pratap and Shivaji. Now let's move to the question number 2. How many wars have we fought after independence? Very good. We have fought 4 wars after independence. Now let's move to the question number 3. When did Kargil War begin? Very good. It began exactly after the 18 months of joining of Captain Bhatra. Now let's move to the question number 4. Which mountain top Captain Bhatra's men were ordered to capture? Very good. They were ordered to capture the mountain top called 4875. Now let's get back and see what happened next. Now as you know students, mountains were very steep and to climb on them was very difficult. Captain Bhatra's unit was ordered to take position at the next point 5140. Now without caring for the firing done by the tanks of the enemy, he started moving to capture the point 5140. Now the enemy was positioned behind the mountains. He decided to climb up from the enemy side. उसने दुश्मनों की तरफ से चढ़ने का फैसला किया so that he could shock them. As soon as he reached there, जैसे ही वो वहाँ पे पहुँचा, the enemy started firing. Suddenly, he felt his ears go numb. That means he could not able to hear anything from them. Next thing he saw his fellow officer's leg blown off. That means उसने देखा कि उसका दोस्त जो कि उसी की तरह एक ऑफिसर है बुरी तरीके से घायल पड़ा हुआ था. उसके फेलो ऑफिसर की टांग बुरी तरह से घायल थी. कैप्टन भत्रा हैड टू मेक अ चॉइस बिटवीन सेविंग हिज फ्रेंड एंड हिज लाइफ. तो उसने अपने दोस्त को बचाने का फैसला किया. He jumped into a trench to save his friend even though the bullet had pierced through his chest. वह खुद को बचाने के लिए खाई में कूद गया चाहे गोली उसके सीने में लगी थी. He had the courage to destroy the enemy bunker. उसमें इतना साहस था कि वो दुश्मनों के बंकर को तबाह कर सके. He threw grenades at the enemy and killed a few of them. और कुछ को मार गिराया. His serious injuries did not break his spirit. He asked his men to capture the other points too. The soldiers were inspired by his courage and they gave the enemy a tough time. सैनिक उनके साहस से प्रेरित थे और उन्होंने दुश्मनों का मुकाबला डट कर किया. Capturing one point was not enough for him. He wanted to earn more victories. So he jokingly used to sing a famous jingle from an advertisement, ये दिल मांगे मोर. तो वे अक्सर गुनगुनाया करते थे एक बहुत ही मशहूर जिंगल जो कि एक एडवर्टाइजमेंट में से था, ये दिल मांगे मोर, which meant this heart asks for more. That was the kind of enthusiasm Captain Bhatra exhibited and won everybody's heart. ये उनका साहस ही था जिसने सबका दिल जीत लिया था. Of course, Captain Bhatra became a martyr. बेशक वो शहीद हो गए थे. The late captain's career lasted just 18 months. बेशक उनका करियर केवल 18 महीनों तक का ही था. But he will live on forever in the minds of his colleagues and all Indians. He was awarded with the Paramveer Chakra, which is a proof of his bravery and valor, जो कि उसकी बहादुरी और वीरता का प्रतीक था. Adorns or decorate the wall of his house, making his parents and country proud of such a great son. As you have heard his story and got to know a lot about him, Captain Bhatra was a great patriot and a good friend. He lost his life while saving his friend, but he kept on fighting till the last breath and became a martyr. Now before ending the video, let's discuss some questions. So the question number 1 is, what happened to his fellow officer's leg at the mountain top 5140? Very good. His fellow officer's leg was blown off by the enemy. Now let's talk about the question number 2. How much time did he serve Indian Army? Very good. He served the army for 18 months. Now let's talk about the question number 3. Which famous jingle he used to sing? Very good. He used to sing a famous jingle, Ye Dil Mange More. Now let's talk about the question number 4. What kind of enthusiasm did Captain Bhatra exhibit? Yes, being a warrior, he exhibited an everlasting enthusiasm. Now let's talk about the question number 5. Why was he awarded with Paramveer Chakra? Very good. He was awarded with Paramveer Chakra for his bravery and valor. So I hope that you will understand this chapter very well. Thank you.